happen? See, this is Cloudflare CDN, this is Azure CDN. So CDN means content delivery network, and they are enhancing our website. How they are enhancing means they are drop the, like you can say, like if our website is working slow, if we are using the CDN, then our website is working fast. How they are working fast, I will explain. But don't think like this is WAF, web application firewall. This is CDN. This is not a firewall. This is CDN, like Cloudflare CDN, Azure CDN. So yep. So how they are working? Let's. So CDN working in a way. Let's say we have a website, tcrsecurity.com. Okay, and I want to use the CDN. So CDN is nothing but, you can say, like CDN owner buys the server in every country. Let's say they have 2-3 server in the India, like these server are from the India. Let's say 3 server from the India. They have servers in every country. Let's say these servers in UK, and some servers, let's say, in USA. So in every country they have servers. And how they are using these servers for enhancing the website? They are using the caching. So caching is, what is the caching? See, caching is, let's say there is a user. Let's say there is a user. There are 2 users, and like I am in Jaipur. Let's say I am in Jaipur, and Lavis is also in Jaipur. Like this is there is Lavis and me. We are in Jaipur, and let's say this is our nearest server. So if I want to access tcrsecurity.com, see, this is hosted on the AWS. So this like, let's say this is in, let's say this server is in the USA. So if I want to access the tcrsecurity.com, then first request is goes to the nearest server. Let's see, these servers are related to, let's say we are using the Cloudflare. They all are from the Cloudflare. So let's say I want to access this tcrsecurity.com, then my browser send the request here. First request is goes to directly there, okay, not CDN. Then after that they will send me the request through this CDN, okay. So I will get the request. So what happen after that? They are caching this request. Like, see, this website is using the like JavaScript, HTML page, many things. So this server cache those things like JS files and many other image also, some files here, caching for like 0 to 25 seconds most of the time. So this will cache for some time. Let's say this is using caching, and this caching means see, like this cached that website. See, I accessing this tcrsecurity.com, and this cached it for like, let's say 20 seconds, and within 20 seconds, if anyone try to access, like in nearest this, like, okay, in the, like if anyone try to access this website from the Jaipur, then this will send the request. Note this, like let's say now Lavis want to access the tcrsecurity.web.com, then how his request goes? So his request goes there and get the response back. Means this main server of tcrsecurity.com not getting any request from the Lavis. Why? Because this server have the caching. After that, like after 20 seconds, 25 seconds, this cache will expire. After that, if anyone send the request, then this will go again there. Then this will request back. Then this will cache again for 20, 15, 10 seconds. After that, if within that second, like if anyone access, they will get the request from that there. Because of that, what happened? Like we are getting the request very fast. See, maybe, right, let's say maybe this is in USA, but we are getting the response from the India nearest to us. Because of that, this we are getting the request response very fast. So this will enhance our website. Okay, so is this let's say another scenario. There is a person in USA, like there are 3 person in USA. Let's say A, B, and C, and A want to access this website. Then this request goes from there, like there, because he is in USA. Because of that, this USA server will work, not Indian. So this request goes there, then he will get the response. Okay, and he will get the response. And after that, this will cache this for 10 seconds. So within 10 seconds, if anyone try to access this, then this he will get the request directly from there. Not this request not goes there, then he will get the response from there. So because of that, what we will try in this web cache poisoning, we will try to poison this cache. Let's say I am sending a request, and if I successfully poisoned this server, if I poisoned this server, so what happens? See, in this area, if anyone want to access this website, they will get that. So let's say I poisoned for the accesses. So I poisoned this for accesses. So what happen if anyone who are accessing this website from the USA, they will get an accesses pop-up, and I can take over the mass account takeover by the accesses. Why? Because see, I don't need to spread my accesses, because anyone try to access this, they will get an accesses alert. Because see, this server is poisoned, and if anyone try to access, they will get an I can like get their cookies. This is like web cache poisoning by ambiguous request. So most of the time, web cache poisoning is working on the base request. Means say 0A53. So this is in the base request. So you can try on any URL, but most of the time try to attack on the base, and you can try like anywhere, like try to poison. How you can try to poison from this? Like through host header, because currently we are learning the host header. So try to poison it through the host header. So how we can check this? Like change this to, let's say, example.com, and send the request and check. Okay, they are forbidden. Okay, we need to try to bypass it. Let's say last time I already told you. Let's say use this tab thing. Yeah, now it's working. See, if we are using directly, then that's not working, and if we are using tab and after that host, then that is working. And let's say if example is there or not. If example is there, then there is web cache poisoning through this host header, but currently not there. Then try to see. Always, like when you are doing the web cache poisoning, always try to send the request 3-4 times. Sometimes it's not working for single request. See, we are not getting an example in this. Means, see, this is using the caching also. See, caching age 4 means this is using caching for 4 seconds currently. See, this is for 15 seconds. See, 19 seconds means this is cached for 19 seconds. In within 90 seconds, anyone try to access it, they are getting the same content. So we will try to poison this. So this is not working. Why this is not working? Example.com. Okay, let's try to remove the tab and send the to host header. Okay, it's again for, let's use the X host. Again, why this is not working? See, when you are trying the web cache poisoning, then always try to check 2-3 times. So sometimes it's not working, then it's work again. So why this is not working sometimes? See, I already told you. Let's assume you are checking for web cache. So you send the request. If your request is not goes there, then how you will get that? So if a response came from there, response came from that cached, so you cannot poison them. Then you need to send the request again and again. So after some time, your request goes there. Because of after that, you can poison this. Like if you are getting the response from there, then you cannot poison. Your request must be goes in the main server. After that, you can poison. So currently, see, age is 0, and see, we are poisoned this. See, poisoned means, see, this is the response every user will get, and he will get this JavaScript also. So JavaScript from where? Example.com resource js tracking.js. So what happens? See, this example.com in our control. So we can create a URL resource js tracking.js, and we can put the accesses there. Because of that, what happen? Let's say I send this request again. Let's say I send this again. See, this is caching for 5 seconds. Okay, and if I put the accesses there, in within 5 seconds, if anyone try to access this website, he is getting the accesses payload. Means our accesses payload is executing there. Because see, we can put our accesses payload there. Okay, if you want to see it, so they already gives us a location, like, okay, you can use this for hosting. Let's say this is our website. So what you can do, you need to create this URL, because see, this will fetch the JS file from there. So use this there. After that, put the content, very simple, alert 1, let's say, and you need to poison this, because see, store this. So let's assume this is our website. I stored a alert payload, and this is the location. Okay, so I need to change this. I need to poison this now. Okay, let's see. This is okay. This okay. I think that's okay. Like if this is there, let's try to send this request. Okay, let's send this request, and let's see if we are poisoned this or not. See, we are poisoning. Where is our? This is for exploit. Let's check for the exploit. See, our exploit will get this exploit, and after that you will get that location also. See, we need to check this location, resource js tracking.js. So okay, internal server error, we are getting an error, or maybe because of this HTTPS. Remove this, send this request now. So this is now, see, tracking.js means if anyone try to accessing for this, okay, currently age is 0, send it again. See, 11 seconds. Within 11 seconds, if anyone try to access the home page, then they will get an alert pop-up. You want to see? See, this is on this browser, and there also, like if anyone try to access this, they will get an alert pop-up. See this, and means, see, we do not like, see, in normal accesses, victim needs to click on the link, otherwise that accesses won't work. So this is more impactful that a normal link. Or in that, like, you can take out in only one account. But in this, what happen? Let's say I am using this again and again. So let's say I use it for 3 hours. In 3 hours, like say 1,000 user are clicked on, like visit this home page. So I can take over the 1,000 of users. Means you can perform a mass account takeover. So in impact of this bug is very high. Okay, so see, this is working. So you can use it for infinite time. Like, see, now this is working for 20 seconds again. So what happened? See, currently, like what's happening here in this situation? We are sending a request, and we are poisoned this. So what happened? Because of that poison, and this is caching that. So with this cache, like let's say this cached it for 15 seconds. Within 15 seconds, if any user trying to access that, they are getting the response from there. Because of that, our alert is popping there. And after that, we will send the request again, we poison it again, we poison it again. Because of that, we can poison it for forever. Okay, capture the request and see, same thing, like SSR5 flawed request passing. So in this situation, what is thing? Like we are sending the request, and see, I already told you try to change the SSRF, try to check the SSRF there, 192.168.0.1. Let's see it's working or not. See, forbidden means the forbidden our attack, so we cannot use. Other than that, you can use the another host. Let's try to there, send it. See, rest screen. So this is HTTP2, so sometimes it won't work in HTTP2, so change it to HTTP1. Now use the 192.168.0.1, send it. See, duplicate header names are not allowed, so duplicate header not allowed. Let's use the this, send this request. See, this is working, but we are not getting anything. It is normal, means it's not working. So other than that, you can use the X host. Nothing is there, same thing. Okay, so what happened, like all the attacks are not working, so you can use the parsing also. Parsing means you can use it as a proxy in. So just see, copy this URL and paste it in there. Okay, and after that you can try to exploit. Okay, we need to send this request again. See, 0ABC00 this is the request. Send this to the repeater, copy URL, send this. Okay, not found. Okay, now send. Okay, forgot to start that. See, we paste it here, and after that we checked. See, paste it here. After that you can perform the attack 192.168.0.1. See this. After that you can perform the same attack, send it to the intruder, and just attack on this position, select, and okay, I already told you update this and check this. After that use the numbers 02255 1, and this type is 1. So start the attack. Let's see, this is different or it's okay. So let's see where this will work. See, 149, it's working on the 149. So let's change it to 149, send this request. See, we are getting the admin, and let's try to get the admin. Okay, it's difficult, a little bit difficult. So we will get the admin. After that, I think you can exploit it. Okay, so is this clear to everyone? So mitigations, see, always protect. See, protect absolute URL. See, we are using this absolute URL. Protect from this. Validate the host header. Means always try validate the host header. Don't support host override header. Means, see, we last time we used 2 host header. So don't support that 2 host header, and use whitelisting. So what they can do, like, okay, like they can use the whitelisting, means you can use only 1 host header. So these are the mitigations. Okay, this is all about this.